wanna feel the vibes.
Wait. What is it?
I want to review it.
No, I will review it. I got an exotic accent.
Exotic accent.
Hello, so I'm very excited because we got our video doorbell 2 and I'm gonna unbox it now. So there we go. This is the plastic here that we're gonna remove and the box is free. Do we have anything? Oh, another one here. There we go. Let's see, what does it look like? Ta-da! Okay. Say hello to Ring. I just made it up, don't worry. What is this here? Ding dong, ding dong. So that's a doorbell. And that's the cover that we can exchange. I don't know what is this, we're gonna read. 2 screws and an instruction that were inside. Setup button. Okay, the cover, silver or dark brown or whatever they call it. Battery, the backup battery. This is actually, if you don't have electricity, it's gonna be useless because your Wi-Fi is not working. So I don't know how that's gonna be. Oh, and here it is, the chimes or chimes, whatever. Okay. So the faceplates look nice. I like this dark brown one. Rain. Installation hardware. Oh, your clips. Okay. So that's for the chimes. Okay, gonna sit there. Screws. USB cable, and that's instruction. Let's look at the instructions. Okay, I always like tiny booklets to read them with microscope. Do you have a magnifying glasses? Oh, got it. Oh, okay, here is okay. And look at the size of instruction. But since we are guys, we are not gonna read the instruction, we're just gonna go ahead and install it. And if anything goes wrong, then we call them up. Okay, so I'm gonna get very confused because there are 2 instruction books. Video doorbell 2, video doorbell 2. Let's see. One in English, the other one in French. Excellent. So since we know how to read in French, we are not gonna read it. Let's struggle with the English. Okay, first we're gonna charge the battery. So see you guys in a few hours.
So what tools do we need?
We need a screwdriver and a drill bit that...
No, wait! Power tool!
Can't wait anymore. We left the battery to get charged and we're gonna look at the instruction. It says we have to insert the battery. Here, let's go back. It states that if we can't wait and we really want to play with the doorbell, we could go ahead, which we're gonna go ahead. I can't wait. I got my power tool, jackhammer, and a TNT to blow up the wall so I can set up my doorbell. Up your Ring doorbell. Okay, first here it said download the app, then write your password. My Wi-Fi password is wrong password, and that's because anytime I enter wrong password, it prompts and tells me wrong password. So I know what's my password.
One eternity later.
Battery goes in.
This indicates that it's currently on right now.
We're gonna look at some of the setting of the doorbell. Device setup hallway. That then is gonna be front door. No, what is hallway? Oh, that's the Chime that I have.
We currently are seeing the Chime right here, and there is a bunch of sounds that you can choose from. Like this one, or this one, there's lots of them. It's really interesting. So yeah, and also as on the top you can see that there's a Chime volume. So yeah. The dog's barking, that would really scare somebody. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, you can snooze the chime. So when somebody rings the doorbell like at 3 a.m. or something, you can stop that from happening. Anyway, so now we are going to go to the help center. Oh no, we actually went there by accident. Alright. With Ring Plus, you could add like your partners for things. So then for the doorbells, so we're about to go to the doorbell now. These are all your motion detection rings, or all your live views that you did. So yeah, they're really helpful. So you just hold on to it, tap, and then you can click delete. And then there's the starred events. So that means these events are gonna be like important or something like that, you know. So the device settings, there's your device name, location, installation, videos, alerts, open full screen video, and doorbell tone volume. So you know, like when you ring the doorbell, it goes like ding 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 or something like that. Anyway, so next is motion settings. So there will be motion zone where you could choose how far or how short the distance will be. It looks kind of weird for you guys, so yeah. And then there's motion schedule, so you can choose when to disable motion alerts, but we're not doing that. And then there's smart alerts, so you can get light, receive fewer alerts, standard, just get the normal alerts, and frequent. You will get more frequent alerts for just a lot of things, even in just nothing, so yeah. So anyways, next is recent activities, just like in the beginning. Then there's device health. The power source is hardwired, so there's no battery or anything. It's very good. Like the power status is good, so there's no need to charge. Network name is right there. Last health check. Today it's 6:47. Then there's the MAC address, which I need to blur out. Firmware is up to date, which is great. So then, I'm pretty sure. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And hit that notification bell, and I will see you later.